Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guarantee RV. Thank you for taking the time to check out our website and specifically this video. Today we're going to go over a 2018 Jayco Jay Flight 175 RD. Let's start off on the inside and we'll finish off on the exterior. Follow me. Well, if you like eating with a lot of people, this is the right trailer for you. Come in and check out this table. You could fit a lot of people back here. So this is just cool. Cool place to entertain if you got kids. Great place to eat with the kids. This also breaks down into a second sleeping area back here. Lots of storage above. Nice windows all around, good light. Makes it feel a little bigger and more open in here too. I love this trailer. So here in the kitchen, we've got a 2-burner stove, sink with hot and cold running water, nice fridge here below, some cabinets, and your LP furnaces here. So as you can see here in the bathroom, we've got our nice shower tub combination, a little counter, and then our toilet in there. And then up front, it's all bed, and there's plenty of room actually to get in and out of this bed. A little nightstand here with some storage above. AC over here in the corner. And you do have a window in this trailer in the front too, which I really like. It allows you to get more light in and also see people coming and going. So that about does it in the inside. Let's go over the exterior features real quick. So this trailer has an electric awning, and it's got an LED strip built in at the base of that awning, which puts out a really nice light. It's also got 2 speakers, one built into each end of the awning, which I think is just a cool idea. You're not having to cut additional speakers in the wall, you're placing them in the awning, which just kind of makes sense. Here we've got some storage, actually quite a bit of storage underneath that bed there in the front. Here's where that window is. You're not going to believe how light this trailer is. It's under 3,000 pounds dry. Fully loaded, it's 3,750 pounds. Unbelievably light trailer. There's the back of your AC. And we've got a full-size bumper, full-size spare tire. Here's your power cord. This trailer does come with 2-year warranty. Anybody that purchases an RV from Guarantee is going to get a full propane tank. This trailer doesn't have a slide, so you get 1 battery and you get a customer care kit. So basically, after purchasing an RV, you're ready to go camping. There's no hidden fees here at Guarantee. Please, if you have any questions on this or any of our other RVs in stock, give me a call, Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.